Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or deny birdie sensors permission on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, tap on the more button at the top here. Then from the pop-up, tap on permission manager. Then we go down and tap on birdie sensors. Now tap on the app that you want to allow or deny permission to birdie sensors. So here I'm going to tap on Samsung Health and I'm going to choose allow only while using the app. So tap on allow, then tap on the back key. Next, if you want to say don't allow or deny permission, you can choose don't allow and then tap on don't allow anyway. And that's it. So that is how you can allow or don't allow apps to access birdie sensors, or you can just remove the permission. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.